There we go. Today's catch, I don't know, 4 hours.
All I could see is fucking shirts.
Opening day. Opening day. We got a few in the boat, I think.
We got more than a few there.
Do
We
you
got
think
like
so?
we got like a big fucking snake fucking pile of fish there.
But bam!
Fuck yeah, that's a lot of fucking fish right there. Gotta put her in the boat before we start the engine.
Yep, that's what I'm talking about.
And he's just laid back.
Day of fishing.
He's about to fucking hit the heart sack. The heart sack. Anyways, that's today's catch. There's a couple of pike and one bass. Anyways, we're off to the cottage. Good day fishing.
Peace out!